How much of Mirzapur keeps you busy when they are doing other things and when we are watching other things?
The writing is always going on for Mirzapur. So I think ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि since these past 8 years कि मिर्जापुर से बाहर आ पाए, because it's always been, it's an ongoing beast. तो वो तो constantly चल रहा है.
As actors आप लोग इतना interesting काम करते हो, you know, you also go to other projects. किस शो का फैंडम और फैन बेस बनता है, ये आइडिया होती है शुरू में?
Never.
Ours itself became so big.
Right.
It was the first lot of shows that came, like the first 3. Before that, कोई concept नहीं था.
Concept नहीं था. हाँ.
So then, ever since, I have not seen anything bigger, and I think
it was probably the first, I think, show on long format which took the format to mainstream.
Some of these characters are violent. They are very negative. How do you switch off once the shift is over and not take any of it home?
We're not allowed to carry things home.
Yeah. Right.
But no, I mean,
The mind of it.
the mind plays tricks sometimes. You know, that's
She's structured in a way where I feel that she wants to do the correct thing, and she's you know, she's decisive, and that's my problem in real life, and that's what I take from my character.
Difficult to switch off immediately. That, I mean, while that process goes on at least for 3-4 months when we are shooting. Yeah, during that process, it's difficult.
ways to emphasize the switch off is that we all end up growing our hair out, wearing very different clothes,
Yeah.
Right.
staying
That's
away.
true, yeah.
Guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. I was just telling you all, for people who do interviews every day, this is a very exciting interview.
Wait 1 second. You have to first tell me, how is it interviewing Katy Perry?
It was absolutely amazing and very chill, very easy.
I was like, dude, I was watching that. I was like, insane.
Yeah,
Awesome.
But like I said, this is the most exciting title when we are doing interviews. I've already come from one and I was like, Mirzapur interviews are happening. So the property that you all have made over the years is incredible. मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि जब आप लोगों के पास लोग आते हैं, यार कब आ रहा है, क्या होगा, कौन जिंदा है, कौन मर गया, what do you tell them? Fans, family, friends?
घुमाना फिरना पड़ता है उनको. क्या करें? I think we're getting better at it. With every passing season के बिना बताए पर उनके एक्साइटमेंट को भी एक्नॉलेज करना है, क्योंकि आई थिंक वही लव के लिए तो हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं. तो वी रियली अडोर द फैक्ट दैट वो ये सवाल पूछते हैं, बट उनको भी समझाना पड़ता है कि उनको बताएंगे तो उन्हीं का शायद मजाक किल करेंगे, तो वही कोशिश करते हैं.
राइट. आप क्या कहते हो लोगों को? फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, किसी को बताना पड़ता है कुछ?
हाँ, मतलब यू नो, और होता क्या है कि उनका एक्साइटमेंट इतना ज्यादा होता है कि आप अगर उनको नहीं जानना है, अगर आप नहीं बताओगे तो उनको नहीं जानना है, अच्छा ठीक है कहानी में क्या होगा, ये क्या होगा, वो उस पे यहाँ तक आ जाते हैं. अच्छा ठीक है, ये तो बता दो कि मार्च में आ जाएगा, अप्रैल. दे वांट टू नो समथिंग,
कुछ तो बता.
वी हैव गॉट समथिंग रिलेटेड टू मिर्जापुर, सो दैट इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग एंड एक्साइटिंग. सो इस तरीके की चीजें काफी होती हैं.
राइट. हु आस्क्स यू, हु nags you the most?
I think एक तो fans, because वो Instagram पे जब भी कुछ भी पोस्ट डालो, 4 साल का गैप आ गया, you put anything they want to know about मिर्जापुर. आपकी लाइफ में जो भी हो रहा हो उससे हमें मतलब नहीं है, मिर्जापुर कब आए हैं. बट इन पर्सन कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि वो खुद पूछते हैं, स्पॉइलर दे, तो फिर कहते हैं नहीं मत दो, एक्चुअली देख लेंगे, वो बेटर है.
राइट. अली, आप इतने इंटरनेशनली भी इतने इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हो, बट यू नो लोग कहते हैं कि हाँ वो सब तो ठीक है, ये कब आ रहा है, ये इसमें क्या होने वाला है?
Always.
Yeah,
I think it's a boon and a curse of Mirzapur, like we're all stuck with. The moment it gets over, I'm worried about 5th July. So the day we'll start receiving messages for the next. So yeah.
I can imagine.
But good times.
Good time. You know, what is your process as actors? I'll ask you first. When you're getting into something and going back on a shoot on the set, will you watch the full thing or just to get into the sense of the character?
What I remember, because I've been through that process of creating those memories, if I can call them that. So in season 3, and that's how memories are, right? They're a bit fadey, they're a bit vague. They're not, celluloid clear. So I liked and I picked from those vague memories, because with the show you can do that.
You can do that.
We've shot it. Those things are there in the can.
Yeah.
So that helped. Wherever you don't remember, you don't remember. That's life.
Right.
You know, and then you act and let the situation which you're doing and creating guide you. The writing guide you.
Right, that's so interesting. Every actor has their own process. I was interviewing Neena Gupta ji right here for Panchayat. She's like, मैंने तो set पे जाने के पहले I watched the whole thing out like that. What would your process?
I just have a character diary, तो वो मैं उसमें जैसे diary pages लिखे हुए हैं. I somehow read that.
Okay.
Don't see the full show, but I also depend a lot on my director and writer. Like I really depend on them, and I just read whatever I'd written like at that time.
Right. What about you? Would you like to see what has happened just to get the feel?
Immediately before starting the shoot, for example, when we started shooting season 3, I didn't see immediately before that, because obviously, as Ali said, there is a memory of the broader strokes which you made as a character in earlier 2 seasons. So that is enough for me to carry ahead. And obviously, what and I think we all depend much on that conversation, that multiple conversations in my case, which happens with Guru, has already happened, which actually kinds of triggers my step forward into the season.
Right. How much of Mirzapur keeps you busy when they are doing other things and when we are watching other things?
A lot. I think I've been lucky enough to get a chance to do at least one either show or film between seasons.
Right.
Every time I think that they act as almost like palate cleansers. क्योंकि every season takes a lot out of you and it gives you a lot.
Yeah.
But then you're saturated with it. And then if you move away with something, then you realize how much you miss Mirzapur. And it's great to come back.
Right.
I think that process has been very good. And I think we've followed that throughout. And I think that sort of worked. Every time you come back hungrier.
Right.
The writing is always going on for Mirzapur. So I think ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि since these past 8 years कि मिर्जापुर से बाहर आ पाए, because it's always been, it's an ongoing beast. तो वो तो constantly चल रहा है.
Right. Do you read these fan theories? Like, has it ever happened that one, that you've picked up something from a fan theory, and 2, you're like, okay, this guy got it. Yeah, please.
You remember Abhi,
He said,
the time wala?
Yeah.
The posts that Amazon was doing. They were releasing the posts
at 7:05.
at 7:05. Just for, and somebody nailed it randomly.
Wow.
That, oh, this is 5th of July.
Wow.
Like at the time, and when you do the post, it always, and when somebody sees it, it comes few minutes later, few minutes ago.
Yeah, it never shows the real time.
So somebody must have seen it at that time, waiting for that very post at 7:05 to be able to then, like, okay.
And way before the date announcement, I think.
This was the lead up to the date announcement.
Yeah.
So,
Amazing. See how these fans are incredible.
but I'm sure there are other things.
Have you ever picked up something you're like, okay, let's try this, what this fan is saying?
So again, never consciously. I think the only instance where I think out of what we'd seen, fan love that had happened for one character that was actually never supposed to exist in totality was, the dancing chacha that happened at the end of season 1. And when we were writing season 2, and we within the story we needed Ramakant to reach a guest at that wedding.
Right.
Who was going to become a key witness against Munna. That was the only time where we ever, went into the fandom, because that character had become so popular. So we thought it would be so cool if that is the character that actually stands up against
True.
Munna. So actually I think that's probably the only instance where it's come from outside. In the other cases, of course, all of the theories and stuff, they happen much closer to the shoot. I think much closer to the release. So by that time, the season's already executed, and thankfully then it's just about, oh shit, I hope they don't guess this. I hope they're going in that direction. And even right now, people are guessing things, but they're, let me tell you, they're not guessing things.
आप लोग बताओ, if people are guessing things, would you be like, this guy got it? Would you tell someone? Would you reply to someone?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah?
not before time.
Not before time, of course, right?
Of course,
Right. आप लोग इतना as actors, आप लोग इतना interesting काम करते हो. You also go to other projects. किस show का fandom और fan base बनता है? ये idea होती है शुरू में?
Never.
It just ours itself became so big.
Right.
It was the first lot of shows that came, like the first 3. Before that, कोई concept नहीं था.
Concept नहीं था. हाँ.
So then, ever since, I have not seen anything bigger, and I think it's.
it was probably the first, I think, show on long format which took the format to mainstream.
Right. True.
So, yeah.
राइट यू नो मैं अभी रिसेंटली मैंने ब्रिजिटन के मेकर्स का इंटरव्यू किया तो वो मुझे बता रहे थे कि
They're huge.
या
Yeah.
दे आर
Yeah,
एब्सोल्युटली
that's another-
अमेजिंग
yeah.
सो यू नो वो बता रहे थे आई सेड यू नो ये सीजन में आपने कुछ दूसरे 2 कैरेक्टर्स पे ही फोकस किया फैंस को कुछ और चाहिए था बुक में कुछ और था आपने अपना ही कुछ कर दिया एंड दे सेड यू नो वी आर ऑलवेज वर्किंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट सीजन में दीज 2 कैरेक्टर्स विल बी हाइलाइटेड दिस सीजन में दीज 2 डू यू ऑल वर्क लाइक दैट
या आई मीन सो लिटरली हमारा प्रोसेस जो है कि क्योंकि ये किसी भी चीज का अडेप्टेशन नहीं है
जी,
इसकी कोई
yeah,
किताब नहीं है कुछ
correct.
उपन्यास नहीं है कुछ नहीं था तो एक बार पुनीत कृष्णा जो क्रिएटर है उन्होंने जो पहला सीजन किया था दे डन द फर्स्ट सीजन द ब्यूटी वाज दैट ही मेड द कैरेक्टर्स सो राउंडेड लाइक दे वर सो डीप विद इन देम दैट we knew so much about them even though very little of them was in the season तो हमने उसके बाद जो प्रोसेस कलेक्टिवली बैठ के डिसाइड किया कि हम कहानी से पहले कैरेक्टर्स को एक जर्नी पे भेजते हैं
जी।
इंडिविजुअली राइटिंग के
Okay.
टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं
Okay.
कि ये कैरेक्टर की ये वीकनेस है ये स्ट्रेंथ है ये रिक्वायरमेंट है ये वांट ये नीड है एंड बिकॉज वी हैव सो मेनी ऑफ देम तो हम सबको उनके स्टार्ट और एंड पाथ्स सॉर्ट ऑफ डिसाइड करते हैं उसके बाद देन वी सी कि कैसे इनको क्रिस क्रॉस करा
Right.
सकते हैं
हाँ,
बिकॉज दे नीड टू इंटरेक्ट विद ईच अदर
Right.
दैट्स व्हाट you know the audience will want to see
want to see,
they
right.
want to see them individually on their own and the moment they crisscross automatically drama create hota hai
हाँ.
so then you know 60 or 80% of our story gets decided from that
ओके
then बैलेंस 20% फिर हम ट्वीक करते हैं ऐसा नहीं ये वाला इस कैरेक्टर को दे सकते हैं वाला इस कैरेक्टर को दे सकते हैं इसको कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं 4 की जगह इनको 2 कैरेक्टर सकते हैं ऑल दैट प्रोसेस कीप्स हैपनिंग बट
Okay.
द स्टोरी ऑफ मिर्जापुर कम्स फ्रॉम द कैरेक्टर्स सो दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स इट यूनिक एंड दैट्स व्हाट सरप्राइजेस अस so we know that once we are surprised the audience will be surprised
Yeah, true. You know, as actors and as fans of Mirzapur, would you be interested in because set के like वो time पे तो आप खाली अपना काम कर रहे हो. Would you be interested in what is happening to the other characters?
100%.
You all ask.
Yes.
Yeah, 100%. And
Hell
plus,
yes.
sometimes I think it so happens also that you visit, your work is done for the
Okay.
day.
हाँ.
Or if you're around, you are not shooting that day,
हाँ.
but you still would want to be around
to-
and see. Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean
he was
that.
there for one of my scenes.
Yeah, I was in fact.
Only
yeah,
there.
I was taking pictures and I was liking and I was discussing कि ये moment ऐसा है, ये सारी चीजें. So I think it happens. It was now the relationships have become such that
Right.
there is no mine and yours. It's
Right.
all one.
It's all one. Right. You know, some of these characters are violent. They are very negative. How do you switch off once the shift is over and not take any of it home?
We're not allowed to carry things home.
Yeah. Right.
But no, I mean, yeah,
The mind of
the
it.
mind
Yeah.
plays tricks sometimes. You know, that's yeah. I yeah. I mean, maybe my anger is a bit instinctive, and
Okay.
I find that in the character that I play.
Wow.
But I don't know which is which. Have I taken this from there or that from this? I don't know. But a bit of each character you take back. I
Right,
think for the
right.
rest of your days, you can't really.
True. Do you all easily switch off?
On the contrary, I take my
You
character
would like to
back
take- you take.
because yeah, she helps me in my real life.
Wow. How is that?
Because actually,
Her name
Rimpi
is Sybil.
Yes.
Sybil.
बताऊंगा.
Why?
बोलो पहले तो कहानी बताओ करो.
Because I think she's structured in a way where I feel that she wants to do the correct thing and she's you
Yeah.
know, she's decisive and that's my problem in real life and that's what I take from my character. I'm in that mode that I'm going to decide and I'm going to just stick to that.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
two actors, totally different process. Would you easily switch off after your shift is over?
No, it's difficult.
It's difficult, right?
Difficult to switch off immediately. That I mean, while that process goes on at least for 3-4 months when we are shooting. Yeah, during that process, it's difficult. I mean, one does not want to also switch off because
Right.
it's the more you are open, the more you are getting. Because lot many things. I mean, though you have kind of structured that this is how you're going to be in this season, but there's a lot which is going to happen on that day
Okay.
while shooting that scene.
Right.
So
I think our ways to emphasize the switch off is that we all end up growing our hair out,
I
wearing
can
very
see that,
different
yeah.
clothes,
Yeah.
Right.
staying
That's
away.
true, yeah.
But I think on set, because again, I think for cast, of course, 1,000% but even for crew that's there, sometimes it can get overwhelming because our situations, our story, our drama can get very dark, can get very dramatic, and it can be quite pulling on emotions. But I think thankfully everybody here is okay with keeping the set decorum very light. I don't think when we're not shooting, we're carrying that pressure that we're doing something intense.
Nice, yeah.
Or the actors are all, once we're not shooting, they're okay with sharing a lighter moment with each other.
Okay.
They're okay with hanging out with each other. They don't. We try not to take ourselves too seriously on set, whether it's our DOP, whether it's our crew, whether it's our actors. We can joke around between shots, between sets. So we try and make sure we don't.
This has happened now. Season 1, Vikrant and me would be huddled in one room, just talking to each other and going like, yeah, kal ye hai, yaar, kal ye hai, and just like going there, very scared, but. Yeah.
But I think over the season it becomes also very important for all of us to, I guess, learn that
bond
therapy somehow. Otherwise,
it is, and part of that therapy is the famous not break a guru's iconic massages.
Yes.
Oh my God,
those pressure points and every time. Everybody once has the privilege of having that thing.
Nice.
Your filmmaking reflects that.
Yeah.
You can make and break knots.
What? Well done. Lastly, every character is a fan favorite with someone or the other. All your characters are favorites. One character, lastly, before I wrap, you're looking forward to, is baar ye character kya karega? I want to see as a fan.
Rajesh ji.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing.
आप कुछ और बोलो.
आप कुछ और पढ़ो.
कुछ और. Think on your feet. कुछ और बोलो. चलो. बोलो. Time खत्म हो गया.
Last, yeah.
कि अब ये क्या करेगा?
हाँ, कि I would like to see the next move.
Well, हाँ, कालीन भैया.
हाँ, कालीन भैया. ठीक है, चलो. You asked for it now.
Okay.
I can't take those two names.
Take.
Actually, Rajesh ji. Ramakant Pandit.
Yeah.
Right. If you were watching as a fan, who would you like to see? What is the twist? What is the turn? Who's next?
So I'm saying since we've seen a lot of the trailer and the teaser out now, so I'm not going to take any obvious names.
Okay.
But I think it'll be interesting to see what the Tyagi brothers do this time around in that. So let's see where that goes.
Oof, waiting eagerly. Thank you very much. I get nervous listening to all this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.